Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2019. Please rise and place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now, please remain standing for a moment of silence to reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. And we have some very special birthdays today. We have in kindergarten, happy birthday to Mila Hyde. We have Ernesto Lozano's birthday in 4th grade, Brian Mario Puerto in 2nd grade, and Ashley Nereja in 3rd grade. Happy birthday, you guys, and make sure you don't forget to come get your special birthday gift. And for our value and culture focus of today, Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. And idea 25, greet visitors and make them feel welcome. We're definitely going to have visitors today, so make sure you're greeting them, welcoming them to Runberg Academy, and you can even introduce yourself. All right, some announcements. Like every day, make sure you have your ID out, and if you don't, you must purchase a new one. So ask your parents for $5 and just promise them you're not going to lose it again and put it in a safe place. All right, a lot of you have been asking me, I'm cold. What if I'm cold? What if it's cold outside? That's how you guys sound. But you may wear an idea jacket all day long if you like. It just has to be the type of there's only 3 different types of jackets that you can wear, but they have to be the idea jackets. So you can also wear a long sleeve shirt underneath your polo, okay? But you cannot wear a non-idea jacket. If you wear one to school, it must be put away in your backpack the minute you walk in, or given back to your homeroom teacher to hold for the day. But I'll be honest with you, if you forget to keep taking that jacket, I will donate your non-idea jackets. And I have a few other reminders. So reminder that when you are in the cafeteria, you are entering every single day the exact same way. You're not deciding to go in a different door. You're going in the same way every day. And you are walking. What happens is when you're not walking, you may risk losing your recess the next day or even that next half hour. Once you grab your food, you're taking a seat at the designated table with your homeroom. If you need to use the restroom or drink water, please raise your hand and use the appropriate hand signal so that an administrator or a lunch monitor can give you permission to get up. Please do not stand up, put your hand up, and then go find us, because we're just going to ask you to go sit back down and then do it all over again. If everyone got up every time they needed to go to the bathroom, think about how crazy the lunchroom would be. Also, we just want to make sure everyone is safe and there aren't too many people at the restroom. So if I see that 10 people's hands are up, I might let 5 go and then wait and then let the second half go. All right, another thing is, our cafeteria is where we eat. No one wants to eat in a dirty space. So Rattlers, you're expected to clean up after yourself. You either are sliding down your tray or you're carrying it back to go into the trash bag. You are eating your food. You're not throwing it. Food is not a toy. And you're throwing away the food and then stack the trays if you are scooting your trays down. Stacking the trays helps reduce waste and save space. All right, some more reminders. I just want to make sure you guys are aware of our electronics policy. If we can see your phone, we can take it. There are no cell phones, music players, or anything like that during the school day. They must be turned off and put away. If you are found using an electronic device, your teacher will collect the device, turn it in to me or one of the other administrators, and your parent or guardian is going to have to come all the way here to my office just to pick it up. Also, I'm going to be handing out an electronic policy so that you guys know all the details and that you sign off on it so that you understand that at Runberg we cannot have cell phones out. We are dedicated to using our instructional time for learning and nothing else. All right, so some fun announcements. This Friday, we have 2 special events. I know you guys saw the bikes in the hallway. Those could be going home with you. Just make sure that you are here every single day. And Fall Fest. So tell your family and your friends to come by after school on Friday and enjoy Fall Fest. All of your teachers have booths that have food and games and prizes. It will be a very, very fun day. Also, if you can help donate some materials, ask your teacher what they need. All right, again, I know a lot of you are still finishing up your social emotional lesson for the week about speaking with intention, watching your words. And today, 3rd grade writing, good luck. 4th grade writing, good luck. And math, 4th grade math, good luck. Some other announcements are October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month to raise awareness. This Friday, you may wear pink instead of your normal idea jackets, idea t-shirts, or college t-shirts. You may wear pink, making sure that your body is covered the same way that it is when you're wearing your uniform every day. All right, yesterday, unfortunately, we had 22 scholars out on Monday, which means that we only had a 96.73% attendance. We did not meet our goal. Make sure your parents bring you every single day. And even if you have a doctor's appointment in the morning, it's okay. Come on in right after and just bring a doctor's note. Attendance challenge. Remember, we are about to raffle off on Friday and the regular raffle and the bike raffle. It will be a very, very fun day. All right, now please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready? Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday. Remember that choice is all yours. Look at that cute puppy with pumpkins. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always, always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents or message them on Dojo of the students that are out and text the ADA GroupMe the name of the student, the grade, and the reason they are out. Thank you all so much and have an amazing day.